Hey guys, good morning. Today I'm recording this video in Hilton Riyadh Hotel here in Riyadh for AWS event for 2025. But before I'm talking about this event, if you remember last year, I was here in the same event, and in that time, the Amazon focused on the transformation as well. If you have any landing zoning from the on-prem to public cloud, you can use the Amazon tools for the land zoning from the on-prem to the public cloud. This year, the event for the AWS is totally different because they will talk about the AI. So how, if you are a company or if you are a big enterprise and you have AI application, you have two ways to deploy this AI application. On-prem, but in on-prem you need to build the AI data center infrastructure by the NVIDIA GGX or MGX or whatever. A second option, you can add your application or your application can be adopted in the public cloud, for example, in AWS. So before to move that, there are many questions to come to all people. They start with the AI. Why, if I have AI application, I need special AI infrastructure or AI data center? You should understand first what's the AI framework. The AI framework, it has four phases. And if you have, for example, application for the health score and you want to apply the AI application for diagnosis the cancer and special, for example, in the lady breast cancer, then you need have and follow the framework for the AI or AI framework. AI framework has four phases. The first phase is called dataset collection or collection data by the dataset and data loaders. And in AI, or if you are AI engineer, you should use special tool. It's called NVIDIA Splunk or public Splunk. Okay, and by this tool you can collect all these data loaders and the datasets, for example, in the health score for the cancers. Then second phase is called the train model. So you should learn your machine to understand what the kind of the cancer, what's the difference with the cancer in the breast or the cancer in the bone or whatever. So let me explain to you these phases, because from this you should move with the AI infrastructure if this AI infrastructure on-prem or in cloud. So in the second phases, as I told you, in the machine learning, or let's say the training model, you have two sub phases. Something is called machine learning, and machine learning is a group of the algorithm and statistics. And the second sub phases is called deep learning. As you have the biological neurons to think, the machine as well, or your machine, it should have this artificial neurons to think, and you should learn this machine by the some tools. It's called PyTorch or the TensorFlow. So in this phases, if you want to move with this AI application, you should have high computing, or let's say the high computing things, like for example DGX, or it's called high performance computing, okay, by the DGX or by MGX and NVIDIA, or you can move with the Amazon AWS. The third phase is called optimization. Then in the fourth phases, you will deploy this AI application. So all this AI framework, it needs very a massive AI infrastructure data center, or let's say the high performance computing. So if you want to move the cloud, the Amazon has this GPU. So before I already installed, and I did with the lab of the Amazon, something is called Amazon deep learning containers, and this is containers has GPU as well. I used the EC2 GPU instance, but I'm coming today here because there are two remaining things. It's called Bottle Rocket. This is the other tool for GPU. I read it, but I never use it. As the third, the fourth one is called ECS Anywhere. ECS Anywhere. This is as well the one of the kind of GPU the Amazon has it, at this very massive GPU. So I'm coming here to meet these people to ask them. So today, inshallah, after event, I promise to list the differentiate between these 4 GPU and Amazon if you want to apply your AI application in public cloud. Thank you so much.